Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Kimchi Jinny. First, choose a fresh Napa cabbage, ideally around 2.5 kilograms. Cut the cabbage into quarters lengthwise, then submerge it in a generous brine solution. Let it soak for several hours, ensuring it becomes pliable. After salting, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water to remove any extra salt, then drain it completely. Next, let's prepare the heart of our Kimchi Jinny, the flavorful paste. You'll need essential ingredients such as gochugaru, minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a good quality fish sauce. For a touch of natural sweetness, blend some fresh Asian pear and onion until smooth. Combine all these ingredients in a large bowl, mixing thoroughly until you have a thick, vibrant red paste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. Put on some gloves to protect your hands, then generously spread the prepared paste over each individual cabbage leaf. Make sure every crevice is coated for maximum flavor. Once all the cabbage is covered, pack it tightly into an airtight container, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, then refrigerate. Once fermented, your delicious Kimchi Jinny can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, or even months, continuing to develop its complex flavors. Enjoy it as a vibrant side dish with almost any meal, or get creative and incorporate it into stir-fries, stews, or even pancakes. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.